to my channel. Today I'm going to share professional price action trading strategy. It's about trading reversals, buying breakouts, buying pullbacks, knowing when to stay in the markets and when to stay out of the markets. We open USD JPY asset, 30 minutes time frame. Now time to draw supported major trend line to know the market movements. Here you can see market respect supported trend line. But before place any trade here we need more confirmation. Now time to switch 15 minutes time frame to know the market next movements. Here we draw second minor trend line to understand market next movements. Again we draw third minor trend line. Here you will clearly see that market will respect our minor trend lines as well. And after breakout candle retest our major trend line and the hammer candle formed. So here we place the buy trade. We easily won this trade. Let's place some more trade. Now we adjust our third minor trend line. If you do not want to adjust, then you can create new one also. Here we draw one more trend line to know the market movements perfectly. For more confirmation we draw zone area. Here you will clearly see that candle break zone area and a bullish hammer candle formed. So now time to place buy trade here. We won this trade too. Now time to extend our zone area to know the market next movements. Here we draw some minor trend line as well as zone area for extra confirmation. Here you will see that candle follow trend line as well support zone perfectly, and the hammer candle formed, and a long bullish candle break minor zone area too. So before place buy trade, we draw new resistance zone. This will be our target price. As you can see that we won this trade as well. Now time to adjust our trend line according to new market highs. Here we draw new trend line to know market condition for extra confirmation. Here you will see a shooting star candle formed and next bearish long candle break trend line below direction. So here we place the sell trade. We won this trade as well. Now time to extend zone area to know the market next movements. Here we draw resistance area, but candle break this resistance area upper direction. So this resistance turns into support, and here we place the buy trade. We won this last trade too. I I hope you will learn how price action work. If you like price action trading, and if you want to learn more about Forex professional price action trading, let me know in the comment section.